Hey, what's up everyone, Eric here, and today I want to talk to you about how to support a floating vanity cabinet. Now, obviously the space is a little bit tight, so I'm not going to be on camera with you guys, but hey, so let's get started. Yeah, so we have a cabinet here. Most of the time people are installing them directly, just screwing it into the wall. However, I like that a little bit less because and as you can see, I'm holding this little angle iron piece here. I like to go ahead and mount these to the wall first, and then that way if you have, let's say you have a stud in the corner and then you have another stud in the middle here, 16 inches apart is pretty common. Then you could mount this to the wall and then distribute the weight of this cabinet underneath, so you could support it underneath. And I can't really get low enough in this particular camera angle to show you what it looks like, but there's a piece of angle iron in the back that the cabinet sits on. And then if you want to be extra safe, you could also run it on the side here as well, just to hide it a little bit and help support and distribute some of the weight to the sidewall. And then on top of that, what I like to do is actually go inside the cabinet. And let me get a light in here. So go inside the cabinet, and as you can see at the top there is another angle iron, basically in a reverse L like this. And what it does is it helps spread out the weight evenly onto the cabinet, so you're not resting the whole entire cabinet on just a couple of screws in the back on each side. And obviously at the end of the day, you're going to have some sort of countertop, most likely a stone countertop, be it porcelain, quartz, or some sort of natural marble or granite. They're going to be heavy no matter what you choose. So and you wouldn't want this to fall on anybody, obviously. So that's really important, just to properly reinforce it. If you don't do the angle iron rail, other ways that I've seen people go ahead and do it is to just add some wood blockings in between the studs. So that helps a lot as well. Or even when you do the preparation for the countertop, screw the plywood at the angle into the wall and the studs as well. So, just find more ways to spread out the weight. Okay, thanks so much for checking us out. And if you have any questions, please leave us a comment. Hopefully this content is useful for you. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks.